Hello children, good morning and welcome to our new video of English 1. Children, our new video is a poem and the name of the poem is When I Was One. So first, let's read the poem. When I was one, I had just begun. When I was two, I was nearly new. When I was three, I was hardly me. When I was four, I was not much more. When I was five, I was just alive. But now I am six. I am as clever. So I think I will be six now, forever and ever. Children, this poem has been written by A. Milne. Now, let me explain the poem. Children, as I have told you, this poem has been written by A. Milne, and the poem describes a speaker's life from years 1 to 5. Means, the poet is telling us about his life from age 1 to age 5 and 6. Now, let me explain. When I was 1, I had just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. From these lines, we come to know that the poet had nothing to do at that age. Means when he was 1 and 2 years old, he had nothing to do. He had no real likes or dislikes. What he was liking, what he was disliking, it was also not there. He had nothing to take care about except his happiness. Only what the child knew? The child knew only to be happy. His life was as simple as the next year when he was 2 years old. At this age, the poet says that he was nearly new. Means his second year was also much the same as the previous year. Means his life was almost the same as a 1-year child. Understood, children? Now, let's move towards next line. When I was 3, I was hardly me. When I was 4, I was not much more. When I was 5, I was just alive. Now here, the poet discusses his life when he was 3 and 4 years old. And at that time, he was very unhappy. And unhappy means sad. At that age, the poet was very sad. Why? Why he was sad? Because the poet says when he was 3 years old, he was hardly knowing what he would become in future. Means he does not know what he would be in future. The same can be said about when the poet was 4 years old, because not much change has been occurred between these age. He was not much more than he was at 3 years old. Now, in the next lines, the poet reaches the age of 5. And at this age, things started to improve. Now, children, when the poet has become 5 years old, at that time, things started improving. Now, at this age, he is old enough to know what and how he wanted anything. This helped him to be alive. In these lines, the poet also wants to say that there was something inside the child which helped him truly developing year after year. Means when he was 5 years old, he started developing inside him. He started improving inside him. Now, see, but now I am 6. I am as clever. So I think I will be 6 now forever and ever. Now children, in these lines we can see that the speaker is happy as now he is 6 years old. Now he comes to know he is clever as clever, means he is much more clever. From these lines we come to know that the child has a personality that is quite strong, and that quality is his cleverness. And he wants to be like this forever and ever. Means he wanted to be like this only. He wanted to be at this age only forever and ever. Okay? Children, one thing I want to tell you, that when we were small or when we were growing up, we could not see how our life was improving. But after reading this poem, we can relate our life with the poem, and a time comes when we does not want to grow up and lives as we are. Same thing happens with the poet. When he was 6 years old, he became clever at that age and wanted to remain like that only forever and ever. So, I think you all have understood and enjoyed the poem as well. Now children, some difficult words I have given. First one is begun, B-E-G-U-N, begun. Second, nearly, N-E-A-R-L-Y, nearly. Third one, hardly, H-A-R-D-L-Y. Next one, alive, A-L-I-V-E, alive. Next one, clever, C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. Next, think, T-H-I-N-K, think. After that, forever, F-O-R-E-V-E-R, and the last one is ever, E-V-E-R, ever. Now some homework. You have to read and learn the poem. Children, the poem is very interesting. Please learn it. And learn all difficult words with spelling. Thank you all.